This is going to be about lesson 5-6, point slope form. The point slope formula is, here's an example where the slope is -4 and the line contains the ordered pair -1 and -2. Step 1 would be to plug in the slope and ordered pair into the equation and then simplify. To put an equation that's in point slope form into slope intercept form, you just have to simplify farther. Here's an example. The slope is 2 and the ordered pair is -3 and 5. Plug in the slope and the ordered pair into this point slope formula. Now simplify until you get an answer that is slope intercept form. Here's the assessment question. Find the equation of the line that passes through 2 and -6 with a slope of 1/5. Put your answer in point slope form. The answer is y plus 6 equals 1/5 in parentheses x minus 2. Do this problem for extra credit.